Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your visa with CIBTvisas, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your visa with CIBTvisas, start by visiting their official website. Familiarize yourself with the types of visas available for your destination. Select the visa category that fits your travel needs. Gather necessary documents, which typically include your passport, photographs, and travel itinerary. Complete the online application form provided on the website. Ensure that all fields are filled accurately to avoid delays. Review the specific requirements for your chosen visa type, as they can vary widely. Prepare any additional documentation requested, such as bank statements or invitation letters. After compiling all documents, upload them to your application. Proceed to the payment section and pay the visa processing fee. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Monitor your email for updates regarding your visa status. If required, follow any additional instructions provided by CIBTvisas. Once your visa is ready, ensure that all details are correct before your trip. Keep a digital and physical copy of your visa with you during your travels. Stay updated with any travel advisories or changes in visa regulations for your destination. With careful preparation and following these steps, you can secure your visa smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.